Hi! This poem is called The Bagpipe That Didn't Say No. It's on the floor. Uh-oh, there's a turtle too. What? Let's find out what's happening. It was 9 o'clock at midnight at 3:15 when a turtle met a bagpipe on the shoreside by the sea. And the turtle said, "My dearie, may I sit with you? I'm weary." And the bagpipe didn't say no. Said the turtle to the bagpipe, "I have walked this lonely shore. I have walked to waves and pebbles, but I've never loved before. Will you marry me today, dear?" "Is it no you're going to say, dear?" But the bagpipe didn't say no. Said the turtle to his darling, "Please excuse me if I stare, but you have the plaidest skin, dear, and you have the strangest hair. If I begged you, pretty please, love, could I give you just one squeeze, love?" And the bagpipe didn't say no. Said the turtle to the bagpipe, "Ah, you love me. Then confess. Let me whisper in your dainty ear and hold you to my chest." And he cuddled her and teased her, and so lovingly he squeezed her. And the bagpipe said, "Agoo, agoo." Said the turtle to the bagpipe, "Did you honk or bray or neigh? For agoo, when you're kissed, is such a heartless thing to say."
Agoo.
"Is it that I offended you? Is it that our love is ended?" And the bagpipe didn't say no. Said the turtle to the bagpipe, "Shall I leave you, darling wife? Shall I waddle off to Woda? Shall I crawl out of your life? Shall I move, depart, and go, dear? Oh, I beg you, tell me. No, dear." But the bagpipe didn't say no. So the turtle crept off, crying, and he ne'er came back no more. And he left the bagpipe lying on that smooth and sandy shore. And some night, when tide is low there, just walk up and say, "Hello there," and politely ask the bagpipe if this story's really so. I assure you, darling children, that the bagpipe won't say no. Good night. See you later.